Hey y'all, Sarah Ansberry here. I am the director of pickleball here at Palmetto Dunes in Hilton Head, South Carolina. And I've got a very important pickleball tip for you today. I see this every single day when I'm out here watching players on the court at every level. And what it is your paddle needs to be the first thing that gets to the ball. See this a lot. Someone's at the baseline and a ball goes extremely short or even goes really high. What happens is people run to the ball, they're pumping their arms, and the paddle is the last thing that gets to the ball. Well, that's not going to help you get the ball over the net. So what I'm going to do is very simple. I'm going to just do this by myself. I can do this with a partner. What I'm going to do is practice moving to the ball with my paddle in front of me. So I want my paddle where I need it to be. All I'm going to do is I'm going to toss this ball right here, and I'm just going to move right through my shot. Okay, so what happens is a lot of players, they run, and then they stop, and then they try to hit a softball. Do you know how hard that is? You want to move consistently through the shot. It's at a steady, slower speed. So I can challenge myself a little bit more. I can make it go a little further, and I'm just moving right through the ball. Wherever this paddle is pointing, that's where the ball is going to go. That's what matters most. That's creating my net clearance, my consistency, all the things that I need to strike the ball. If I want to make it a little bit more interesting, the same thing happens if a ball goes high. If I see that ball go up, I want my paddle immediately to get up as high as I possibly can so I can get on top of that ball. So now I'm just going to toss the ball a little high. I'm going to move with the paddle. So I'm practicing moving with my paddle. For a high ball, a low ball, any type of ball where you're on the move, the important thing is that paddle, it's got to get on the ball. That's what's lifting it. That's what's keeping you in the point.